All right, here's the one I think you're really going to like.
This is the one I saved.
You saved this one?
Yeah,
You saw this?
I saw this. This is so freaking stupid. It's like, look at this. Look at it. Just freaking.
One of these I think you're really going to like.
Dude, I saved a couple. I forgot to add them.
So in Phoenix,
There's a Jimny.
there's a Jimny for sale in Phoenix.
But this is a new Jimny.
Yeah,
How is it here?
that's a good question.
How would you register it?
I don't know. But it's here. And it's left-hand drive. It's pretty cool. There's right here in Phoenix, there's a Jimny for sale. It's a 2021. It's got 30,000 miles.
How much?
Automatic 4x4 and 24,000.
That's a lot for a Jimny.
It's a lot for a Jimny, but
You'd be the only one.
then I guess go buy a different Jimny.
Yeah.
You can't. So pretty cool.
That's on Facebook Marketplace? Mm-hmm. What?
I just saw it on Facebook Marketplace. I was like, oh, that's cool. I'm going to include that in the podcast. These are pictures from a scrap yard in Phoenix. It's right in your budget for a new car. You want to go get a Jimny? We can go get it. Like, actually?
It's not automatic, though.
Yeah. All right. Here's the one I think you're really going to like.
This is the one I saved.
You
I
saved
saw
this
it.
one?
Yeah,
You saw this?
I saw this. It's so freaking stupid. It's like, look at this. Look at it, just freaking glued on a Titan bed. If you look at it from the inside, it's seriously not integrated at all. It's just glued on with another axle.
It's literally a Nissan Armada.
I saved all these because I was like, there's no way. This is going to get taken down. I'm not going to be able to find it. I'm saving all these pictures.
That's so funny. You saw it too.
Dude, I saw this. I'm like, Marketplace mayhem. Look at this freaking wild child. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I was laughing out loud at like 2 in the morning. I was
Same. The absolute mad lad that
my
put
gosh.
this together. And I'm not one to, someone wants to customize their car. They think it's cool. I'm a little more like, okay, understanding that I think maybe you are. It's not for me, but it is.
I'm much more willing to call bullshit out the gate.
Yeah. I give them a little more of the benefit of the doubt. And I don't want to like put someone down just for the sake of it, but this is.
I want to grab them by the collars and go, rough. Why?
Yeah.
Why? What possessed you to do this? This couldn't have possibly cost you no money.
And is it
Did anyone
6x6?
Is it 6-wheel? I bet that's just a tandem axle. I bet that's just
Like a trailer axle.
Yeah, just an idler axle where it doesn't.
So they replaced the rear axle.
I bet you anything there's no brakes on that.
On the rear part?
Yeah. I bet you anything there's no brakes, there's no anything. I bet it's just a rolling.
My question is, if you needed a truck bed, how much did this cost versus buying some
$400 trailer?
Truck.
No, buy
Or
a $400 trailer.
Trailer,
And just
yeah.
tow it. Why does it have to be attached?
That's an excellent point. I didn't even think of
Buy a $400 trailer.
I guarantee they spent more than $400 on
Buy
half a Titan.
Buy
or
a big
third of
one.
Titan.
Buy a $1,000 trailer. This is the opposite of a mullet. It's party in the front and work in the back. I saw this and I was like, Mason's going to love this. I'm
did love
so happy that you came across it
It's
too.
so fun. And this is in Phoenix too. Like, dang,
I know.
I got to be looking at Marketplace more often.
I know.
I saw the Jimny and this within a minute of each other. I'm like, holy cow, it's a wild west out there on Marketplace.
You can register anything in Arizona.
I wrote that down. When we say the laws around what you can drive on Arizona roads are pretty relaxed, this is what we're talking about.
I bet you
totally
anything
legal.
this is not illegal in any way.
No. As long as it passes emissions.
Like 6 wheels, cool. You get a discount for 6 wheels.
Yeah. The downside is this is $9,800, which I would not pay.
No.
$163,000.
You couldn't pay me $10,000 to take that.
If I were looking to lower the property taxes in my neighborhood, maybe I'd park this out front.
Yeah. You want house values to drop? Here's your sign.
I have so many questions about how you drive this thing.
It's got to have an open diff, not connected to any brakes or driveline, holding that thing together. You know they didn't spend the time engineering any kind of solution for that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just buy a trailer.
A trailer. Yeah. I really want to know the backstory to that.
What do you think they did? They probably were like, I have an SUV, but I need to carry some stuff that's too tall.
But you didn't know trailers existed.
Yeah.
It's insane. I need to look at Phoenix Marketplace more often.
I know, dude. The amount of meth that flows in and out of this city.
It has to be because our laws on what you can drive are so. I bet you don't see
that we end up with these. You wouldn't see any of this in
because you
California.
couldn't drive it.
No.
So you wouldn't sell it.
Yeah, you wouldn't do anything with it.
Yeah.
You wouldn't make it because you couldn't use it.
Yeah.
And it has to be a Nissan. Of course it's a Nissan.
Of course it's a Nissan.
It couldn't be anything else. It's so good.